Hey guys, so you know who it is. It's your boy. The other boy ain't here today. We're heading to our local Cars and Coffee meet. I'm heading over to Mayo's house right now. We're gonna see some cool cars. It's the end of the month, so they should have some nice cars there. We haven't been posting in a while because due to me having finals and my brother studying for his ACT and him having some exams coming up. Also, you know, we don't have a project car right now, so you know, we've been desperately looking for another one. But I promise you guys we'll have more content in the upcoming month. We're trying our best to get something nice. I don't know if it's gonna be a Nissan this time because they've all messed up, the ones that we've had, so we're looking into something else, but I promise it'll be Japanese, and I promise it won't have an American motor, so just be patient with us. Just wanted to thank you guys for staying with us and supporting us through all this. Never thought we could make it. Just wanted to, you know, have this little talk. He said he was coming. I guess not. It takes forever. Oh, shit. Oh, snap.
And I shitted on my pants. Ooh, it's too early, man.
Boy, where are those, boy? Boy, what are those, boy?
Yeah, I don't know what car to take today, man.
Nuh-uh, you got the Beamer keys? You don't know what you won't do it.
Yeah, I will.
You won't do it.
Come on, man, let's go.
Put your shoes on, stupid.
Fuck, I don't need shoes. Here, go move Bubbles, though.
STI.
Bro, I didn't know you were gonna come. Oh, no,
We'll see you when we're in the car. We gotta wash the turd.
Bro, don't talk about the turd,
for
man.
the car show.
I missed that car.
Do you get looks in this thing? Be honest.
This?
Yeah.
I got a push.
Got the suds going. Got the GTR shirt on.
Hell no, man. Untuck your shirt. You like a Mexican, man.
Tuck my shirt in because. Oh, whoa. Don't show the belt. So we're gonna wash this thing.
Watch them make
and
fun of how skinny I am.
Do you use this for your wheels too or no?
What? No.
Got her all nice and ready for the meet. It's looking nice and shiny. My boy May's shamming it up. Sham wow. It's
Right,
looking,
chill, bro. We're gonna get what is it called? Copyright or whatever.
yeah, by Subaru. Damn. Look at the sun hit it, boy. What I'm talking about. Fuck you, M3. Oh yeah. Oh yeah.
Hey, you know that one video? Yo, so you know Reynolds never been to a car show. I told his ass he had to come to this one. If not, I was gonna come to his house.
Oh shit, we got a hit girl.
What the hell you doing? I was gonna come to his house and grab his ass by the ear, drag his ass out the house, fight his dad on the way too. I'm scared of him.
Turn your freaking heat on, dummy. Your windows are fogged.
Let them be fogged.
Got the
Which way do I
GTR. Trusty GTR. Oh, you're gonna go left. Trusty GTR on my shirt over my heart. Doing the Pledge Allegiance.
Oh hell no. Right or left?
Pledge Allegiance. You're gonna go right. Pledge Allegiance to the Nissan flag.
Mustang.
United States of America.
Ben, I try to race me my car.
So me and May just found this guy on the road. I don't know if you can see him.
Typical Mustang.
He's gonna come to Cars and Coffee with us, so he's following us. We're gonna have a fun time.
Yep.
See you there. red look. These are nice.
It is a ZX.
That sounds sick. It's nice though.
Yeah, and then there's my buddy's GTR and my buddy's Super right there.
No, those are... So I decided to look up the VIN on this clean Diablo, and it came out to be not a Diablo. It turned out to be what it turned out to be, Maya. What was it? This is a Pontiac Fiero. It was too good to be true. But I'm trying to see where I can find it. Right here, you could just tell this is all like Bondo on fiberglass, but it's still nice.
Nah, man, bro. What's a Pontiac?
Is it? I bet you it's automatic too.
I just take off.
And it's automatic. Yep.
Is it?
Yeah. Where you going? Your house car.
Oh shit!
Right, left. Fuck, I can't say shit. It's clean as fuck.
Hey, my boy Sadiq.
But maybe
Get a picture with.
I want to see some more cars, man.
That one.
Look at this E-Clip.
Okay, guys, that's the end of the video. Hope you liked the stuff you saw.
Hope you like the BRZ.
May's BRZ is wicked.
She will be boosted next year.
Me and the mad scientist here.
She's gonna be supercharged. Just wait on it.
Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe.
Hey, Ralph! He's in front of us, by the way. Hey,
We have Ralph in front of us. Big old GS. There will be more content soon, I promise. So
I'm
just
sleepy,
stay
man.
in tune. Ralph just did a burnout.